Hi everyone, Nick here from Cake King, and today I don't have one but two exciting new products to show you. First, this is our Neo, also upcoming. That's not the point today. The point today is to show you that you can use Neo as a fermentation chamber, and then you can put a font on top, a chiller inside, and you have a flooded font. Today I'll show you how to put it together. It's super simple, anyone can do it. Basically, you'll have a universal cooling kit that looks like this. It's wet because we've tested it, obviously, to make sure the product is up to par. We have a transformer or a charger, whatever you want to call it, that goes into the power socket. So you need to have at the back of the fridge two sockets, one for the fridge, one for the pump. And then our top shelf premium shadow black range font. It is a first at Cake King. It is beautiful. It is shadow black, as I call it personally. So it's black, but it's got that nice shade to it. I'll need to put the actual tap handle on it, but yeah, it's got a return spring built in. It's already assembled. We call that a fast tap because all you have to do is get it out of the box, thread the hoses in, and screw the screws in. So we're going to do this together. Most importantly, it's a flooded font, right? All you have to do is connect this to this, fill this with water, and let it rip. So what else is in the box? We have a 5-in-1 spanner, some screws, gas line. First things first, we want to put the font on, and then we're going to, secondly, we're going to plug that in, fill it with water, and then we're going to get the water running. So as I said, this has to be one of the most simple or simplest part of things possible. What people sometimes call us about is, hey, I can't get this in. I know, but thankfully this is a push-in fitting, right? Bam, bam. So we have our beer line, which is and we have font cooling line. Loose, like this, perfect. My beer line, my favorite line. So now the lines are dangling inside the fridge, perfect. Before I forget, I'm gonna hook that up. Easy, push, 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 pull, bam, sorted. So the gasket goes here, and then I'm going to get rid of the protection here, which is noise, and that goes on top. That is gorgeous, if you ask me, gorgeous. Perfect, just as it is. How long was that? Probably 1 minute, not even. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, now what we probably want to do is get our universal cooling kit set up. So it's universal because you can use it in basically any fridge as long as you have access to power and you have a font that can be cooled. Now these fonts, they're not frozen fonts, they're cooled fonts. The idea is that you will limit the thermal mass exchange during the day or even at night, but mostly during the day. And the first pour that's annoying, no more annoying. Perfect pour from the beginning. I have my kit. I'm gonna set it on the ground because it's a lot easier to handle that way. Do we need glycol? Absolutely not. You do not need glycol. Again, this is not a frozen font. This is a cooled font with liquid. So the idea is that you're not gonna try and create ice. You're going to just use water as an exchange. What I wanna do now is grab my duo disconnect, arrow pointing that way, arrow pointing that way, put it in, and it's tight. All right, this is connected, so let's fill it up. We've estimated that you will need about 2 liters of water, but that will depend on the actual font. So I'm going to connect that up. There you go, magic. I haven't closed it up because obviously I need to top it up, right? So the liquid is being pushed into the font. And now I can just top up all the way to the top. Now I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but I feel like anybody can do this. If you really want to get fancy, and this is my personal tip, you can use food coloring into the liquid and it's going to look nice. Is it useful? Absolutely not. Is it cool? Yeah. Now the fun part is I'm going to set this anywhere in the fridge, wherever you want it, it's ready to go. All right, fill it up and you're done.